Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe is now backing down from going to the app to the upside. And right now, we're trading up at 76. We actually touched the 8,000 department, and surprisingly enough, yesterday when I made the video that you have the fake out here, you broke to the upside, you went up, you have a flag or an inverted and shoulder, which I kind of showed you on the 1 hour time frame. So it seems like this inverted and shoulder pretty much didn't come up to the main target, but I think that this little bit of a bull flag actually played out, and you can actually see that you had your flag right over here, you broke out of the flag, then you went from there to there, and you can see that this came up to the technical target right on the money. Okay, so that is already played out. So one thing I want to mention is that on the 4 hour time frame you will have a resistance line, and that is actually up here to probably this area. So I think you're going to have some difficult time trying to break it. So this is going to be this resistance right over there. So you are finding one big resistance that you still will need to break above. So if you do break above here, I believe that's when you go up to the to the all-time high, which is 10,935. Someone can even say the case is that this is a whole pattern that can actually push you up to maybe even 13,000 if you start to break it. So all I can say is yes, Pepe had done a good job. I think. Okay, so I just noticed this, but this is also almost like a descending broadening wedge that Pepe had. So you can see this is a descending broadening wedge. You came down to the lowest part of it, you break above, and then you went back to where the wedge really is, right over there at 8,146. So can this be your left shoulder head, and the right shoulder does look like a inverted and shoulder as well. So if you break above here, then you can actually make it up to 13,000. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.